just another video. Today I thought I would share with you some of my tips on getting a QOM or a KOM, or just basically getting your fastest time up your climb of choice. So yeah, the footage that you're actually seeing is when I did my efforts up Duff Stones and I finally got the QOM. And yeah, so you can see all my heart rate, cadence, power, the gradient, and then the actual segment itself. So let's get into the first tip. So the first thing is keeping your effort or your output as steady as possible along that climb, because you just don't want to start off by smashing out as many watts as you can at the start and then really struggling towards the end. So the more stable you can keep your effort, the faster the time you're going to get. So that is the first tip. The second thing is knowing the climb really, really well. So for me on this climb, like it's 6.2k, I know exactly where the turns are. I know where the gradient kicks up a little bit. I know exactly when I need to change gear, and knowing that climb really well is good because it means that you know when it's going to get steeper and you need to change gear, so you can preempt that and just get it ready and be able to get the fastest time. The next thing is, if you are using a power meter, which I am here, is do the climb a few times just to get an idea of the power output over that climb, and then you can kind of set your ideal power goal for that based on the time that you need to get either your fastest time or the KOM or the QOM. I do recommend getting power meters. I just think they are incredible training tools just for you getting faster and fitter. So the next thing kind of links back to that is cadence. So, I mean, you can get cadence sensors, but obviously a power meter is going to have cadence with it. And for me, I aim for, on an effort, you can see now, like between 90 and 100, ideally 100 if I'm really going for it. So yeah, definitely keep your cadence up and get gearing that allows you to get higher cadence like that on the climb that you want to get your best time on. Fifth thing is live segments. Strava live segments is such a good motivator to see how far ahead or behind you are of either your own time or the KOM or the QOM. And then the sixth thing is you might need to work at this climb for years. It might not happen in a week or a month or even a year, so just keep going back, practicing and getting fitter. And the last thing is know that it will happen. You have to believe it will happen. It might sound a little bit like, I don't know, but I am really into kind of law of attraction and all that stuff, and your mind is such a huge part of this, and you have to tell yourself you can do it. And I'm just so happy that this is the only one that I ever really wanted, so I'm very, very happy with it. So yeah, if you've got any tips, leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you next video. I've tried so hard to get this, like so hard. I can't even tell you. I've done it 63 times as well. 63 times I've done this bugger. I'm chuffed, so made up with that.